In this video, I am going to discuss about the topic on step up and step down chopper. This chopper is mainly a static device. I already explained in the previous videos. It does not have any rotational parts. It is a fast switching operation. It is having fast switching operation. Let us see the step up and step down chopper circuit diagram first. The circuit diagram is like this. At first we are having the chopper, then the inductor, and here we are having a freewheeling diode. This is the load. Here we are having the DC supply. Chopper is a switch which converts fixed DC to variable DC. So that's why we are having the input as DC and we are also getting the variable DC output. Then here Vs is the source or supply voltage. Here we are having the chopper CH. Here Is current, supply current. Here we are having load inductor. This is VL is the voltage drop across the inductor. This is freewheeling diode FD. Finally here we are having I0. This is the load. I0 is the output current or load current. Here we are having V0. V0 is the output voltage or load voltage. Then coming to the operation, when the switch is closed, when this switch is closed, the current will be flowing from this. The switch is short circuited, then the current will be flowing to the inductor. This inductor will stores the energy. Then these will be short circuit and the output voltage equals to the 0. The current will be increased gradually. When the switch is closed, the current will be flowing from like this. Here the inductor will get charged due to the current flowing through the inductor. This is the operation when the switch is closed. Then when switch is opened, that is when the switch is in off condition, the charged inductor having some energy, after the switch is opened, the energy or current will be dissipated from the inductor and it will flow like this. So that's why the current will be decreased gradually when the switch is opened. This is the simple operation of step up and step down chopper. Then coming to the expression for the output voltage of step up and step down chopper. This is a simple one. Expression for output voltage V0. When the switch is closed, what is the energy? Input energy, that is equal to Vs Is into T on. There is no change in the voltages from input side to output side. Then when the output energy equal to V0 into Is into T off. This is the equation 1 and this is equation 2. Let's compare or equate the equation 1 and equation 2. We will get Vs Is T on equal to V0 Is T off, where Is will get cancelled. Then V0 equal to Vs into T on by T off. We already know that total time T equal to T on plus T off, where T off equal to T minus T on. Let's put this T off in this equation. then V naught equal to Vs into T on divided by T minus T on. Let's common the T. Vs into, let's common T on both, on the numerator and denominator. T on equal to T by T on minus 1. T on get cancelled. Then V naught equal to Vs into 1 by D minus 1. Actually T on by T equal to D, where T by T on equal to 1 by D. Then V naught equal to Vs into 1 by 1 minus D by D. If the denominator D is comes to the numerator, finally V naught equal to Vs into D by 1 minus D. This is the output voltage for step up and step down chopper. This is a small explanation, simple explanation regarding step up and step down chopper. Thank you for watching.